Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on health insurance with Blue Cross, full guide step by step clearly. If you're looking to save on health insurance with Blue Cross, you're in the right place. Start by assessing your healthcare needs. Consider how often you visit doctors or require medications. Next, visit the Blue Cross website for plan options. Use the online tools to compare different plans. Look closely at monthly premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket costs. These accounts allow you to save pre-tax dollars for medical expenses. Explore any employer-sponsored plans that may offer additional savings. Check if your employer contributes to the cost of your coverage. Review the network of providers associated with each plan. Ensure that your preferred doctors and specialists are included. Pay attention to the benefits and coverage limits for essential services. Consider a high deductible plan if you're generally healthy and want lower premiums. Just make sure you have savings set aside for potential medical expenses. Evaluate any additional perks that Blue Cross may offer, such as wellness programs. Look into reports or reviews from current Blue Cross members. This can provide insight into the customer service experience and claims processing. Finally, consult with a licensed insurance broker if you're feeling overwhelmed. They can help you interpret options and choose the best plan for your situation. With careful research and consideration, you can find ways to save on your health insurance with Blue Cross. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.